ever turn out good on your phone.
Yeah, I know, right? Unless you have like firework mode.
Firework mode.
Yeah, seriously.
I have that on my camera.
Whoa! Extravaganza!
Fireworks don't look as exciting on your phone.
I know, right? I have something on my camera that can take them.
Yeah, I know, like firework mode.
This looks so like 3D. It's like it makes me so fuzzy inside. I can't take the motion. You hear them? Is that what they said?
No, that's what I said.
Oh my god.
Wouldn't it be painful if you like just got like that?
No, I think it would feel like a tickle. I think it would feel like a tickle.
I like your one.
Whoa.
It looks like a gun.
Stream down.
Wow, that's so cool. It takes you like a minute to get like.
Ooh.
Ah.
I like how like afterwards they look like that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I feel like they're gonna explode in my face. Does it feel like it's gonna like explode? But doesn't it feel like it's gonna like explode in your face? It scares me sometimes. Big finale.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Up in Disney, yeah, I know. I was just gonna say that they have a smiley face on.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another
It
star.
has a star in it. Yeah. And the other one-
Yeah, didn't we just say that's a star?
But I wasn't here. I don't think.
Happy 4th of July.
What? Hold on.
Ciao. More. Wow. Here they come.
Oh, they're cool.
I love those kind that make that.
Fireworks, gold.
Yeah, and red. Yeah,
Bright ones.
like the white ones, like the normal white ones. I love how they look real small and then they turn out like so huge.
Wait, did they reply? No.
Wow, I hate when they're low and you can see them. I love that sound.
I know.
Bada bang.
I love that. Yeah. Stop calling me. What do you think?
Stop calling, I don't want.
One more time, I'll fuck it up. You're dead.
And my heart on the dance floor. Stop calling.
I don't know.
Yeah, because they made a big pause.
Whoa!
Whoa! Most time when they make like a pause, then they come to grand finale.
Ah, yeah.
they're not, but that's when they're most popular.
Why? I don't think I'm on Christmas.
They do have them on Christmas in Disney World. Hold on. They have them all the time in Disney World.
Who's going off right now? But, no, you catch it. Thing somewhere. There's no fireworks.
Siva.
Although we're never in the room to see them.
Yeah, I know, but some like occasionally. Oh, we can't even see the grand finale.
That's more of a ground display. They have music to it. Yeah.
That person keeps saying, wow.
Wow! Whoa, that's a low price. Cool. How's the plastic? Grand yeah, I wish. You can hear it though. That kind of looks cool with the tree though. Wow, this is long.
I'm sorry, I'm not.
Happy 4th of July.